Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I'm talking about the concept of ordered pairs. To this end, let me begin from the definition of list. A list is a collection of different entities, maybe numbers or anything else. We call such a collection of different elements a list. Now, if the number of entries in the list are known, we term this as n-tuples. For example, if the number of elements inside this list is 5, that is, we have a list of the form A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, then this is called 5 tuples. That is, the number 5 specifies that there are 5 elements inside this list. However, if the number of entries in the list is just 2, that is, we have a list of 2 elements in the form this, then we call this a pair. So a pair is a list of 2 elements. Now, if this pair of elements further obey another condition such that the pairs A1, A2 is not equal to the pair A2, A1, that is, the order of the elements inside the list matters, then this pair of elements is called ordered pair. That is, an ordered pair is a collection of two entities or two elements whose position in the list matters. In order to understand the importance of the position of an entry, I want to explain this with the help of an example by taking the example of Cartesian plane. So I draw the x-axis along horizontal and label it with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and similarly I draw the vertical axis or y-axis of the plane, and then I choose a point in the plane like this one, and I drop a perpendicular on the x-axis, and the perpendicular meets at 2. Similarly, I drop a perpendicular on y-axis and it meets with 3. Therefore, the order pair representing this position in the Cartesian plane is 2 and 3. Now, obviously, this order pair is not equal to the order pair 3 and 2 because 3 and 2 is an order pair that represents another point, and if I specify that point on the plane, it is a point this one which I'm calling it orange because when I drop the perpendiculars on x-axis and on y-axis, the perpendiculars meet with ordinance at 3 in 2 position. Therefore, the order pair 3 in 2 is not equal to the order pair 2 in 3 because these order pairs represent two different positions on the Cartesian plane. So an ordered pair is in fact a list of two entries whose order matters. If you haven't subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the like button in the video. Thanks for watching.